Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Many iPhone users are reporting that they are unable to install iOS Rapid Security Response on their iPhone. They keep getting unable to verify security response error. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. The error messages indicates that your device is no longer connected to the internet. Make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection and try again. Solution 2. Retry the download. Some users have reported that retrying the download immediately or trying again later has resolved the issue. If the issue persists, you can try downloading the update using a different Wi-Fi networks. Solution 3. Settings. Resetting the network settings resets your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, APN and VPN settings and cellular settings. To do this, app, find and tap on General, scroll down to the bottom, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset, select Reset Network Settings, enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up menu, select Reset Network Settings to confirm this process. Solution 4. Check for other software update. It's possible that there might be other software updates that need to be installed before the Rapid Security Response update can be installed. Check for any available software updates and install them before trying to install the Rapid Security Response update. Solution 5 for iPhone. If you have iPhone 8, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 series and iPhone SE 2nd and 3rd generation, do the following steps. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. Solution 6. Enable airplane mode and disable it. To do this, go to Settings app, enable airplane mode, wait for 30 seconds and then disable it. Solution 8. Contact Apple support. If none of the above solution works, you can contact Apple support for assistance. They might provide you with more specific solution based on your device and software versions. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.